VOLTEX VT-500PV is a direct drive, fully automatic high-speed interlock sewing machine which has automatic air presser foot lifting, automatic needle stop and air thread trimming functions. Adopting high-quality Taiwan blades and makes the thread cutting much easier and more durable. Adopting original Taiwan Hossing motor, adjustable speed and maximum speed can reach 5,500 RPM, equipped with cooling fan, saving electricity, high efficiency and accurate needle stop. Equipped with a safety switch to ensure the safety of the blade. It is suitable for sewing knitted fabrics with beautiful and generous stitches.